Here we are at Bird Paradise, Singapore Zoo, where nature meets. $9.50 cotton candy. Yep, $9.50 for some air, sugar, and a dash of childhood happiness. The sugar alone? Maybe 20 cents. The joy on her face? Priceless. And there it is, that pure, unfiltered, sugar-powered joy. One bite and she's instantly upgraded to maximum energy mode. Some call it a sugar high. I call it Turbo Kid activation. Scientists still can't explain how 20 cents of sugar can produce enough energy to power a small zoo. Meanwhile, every adult here is silently calculating how much candy floss they could make at home for the same price. Cheap ingredients. Expensive happiness. That's childhood economics 101, and honestly, worth every sticky, sugary cent.